Good morning, guys. It's Lola Clear here with another trade. It's September 7th. It's a Tuesday. Yesterday was Labor Day, so there was no trading. I saw this pattern, and this is the one I'm in for today. So I've been watching it. I thought it was gonna be a drop and pop. Well, it kind of was, but after I start looking at it, this pop and drop was not looking good. So I sat here on my hands waiting for it to frazzle out. Now then I saw this happening. It started trending down. If you see that line, let me just put it in white. Yeah, it started trending down. So then I figured that yeah, this is a pop and drop actually. And what was happening here might have been my error, or it just was kind of messing up. I put my line right along the top of all these candlesticks just to get a better setup. But yeah, it's just, and when I did that, it popped, and but these things I'm not sure what happened. So I just sat on my hands and waited to see what was happening. So I got in now a minute ago at an average price of 43.95. It's at 43.92 with 100 shares as usual, waiting for the drop down to this support resistance line. There it is. So we'll see if it gets there. I actually wasn't going to come on. I was a little bit disappointed with the views, and I don't know if it's because of the title that I gave it, but if I did see 4 views, so if I have 4 people that I am helping, then so be it. If it's even one person I'm helping, then so be it. But I just wish that whoever is watching these videos can tell me if it's actually helping them or not. So I'm gonna just put this one out, and if I get any comments, good or bad, then I'll see if I'll do a trade tomorrow. If not, then I'm just gonna just call this done and forget about it. But yeah, for right now, this is the trade we're in. Nice pennant right there, pop, consolidate, and we're waiting for the drop to this orange, peach, whatever line right there. So now we're up $6. We're average price 43.95. Where it's at now, it's 43.89. We have some buying and selling here going on. The ask is now 43.88, so that's below our average price, and the bid is at 43.83. Big buyer here at 43.80, but we're gonna hold it beyond that to this major support resistance. This is what it looks like on the daily. Let me just take off all this because I just now messed it up. This is what it looked like on the daily. Not very convincing for the upside, that is. Just putting my lines back. It's actually now touching on here. So that even confirms a nice little pushback for me. All right. And we could get a pushback down to, which is the daily here, support resistance 38.09. Do we hold it, or do we just fold it when we reach our line? So I'm going to put that back in on the minute chart, and now we wait. No, let me put that support resistance line back in as well. I liked it there. Was that there? I actually like this here. About the color. Don't remember if that's where I had it, but that one looks good. And I'm going to put back, draw my pennant. It's kind of hard doing it on a tiny screen, but my screen is actually bigger. It's just the recording block only takes up to right there of my screen, so I have to try to put my charts and everything into this little space right here. So there's actually one support resistance right here just below. We're gonna put that there just in case. So we've marked now both our exit points. So we'll see what happens. Now in the stock for 6 minutes, 38 seconds. And guys, if you like this video, please just let me know by liking it. Doesn't take anything to just like it. And if you've already subscribed, please accept my gratitude. And if you have not subscribed, please think about doing that. You know, I will feel encouraged to come on more often to show you the trades that I'm in and why I went in it and what it can do. All right, so let's just sit here and wait and see if this thing actually goes down to our exit lines. Okay, guys. Okay, we've been in this stock now for 16 and a half minutes, and I am almost tempted to just go ahead and take it on that first one. Let me see how, looks like we have a far way to drop. All right, I'm gonna hold it until here, 43.23. So let me just go ahead and close that. So now we have buyback order because we're shorting it. So we could take it here at 43.50 or at fib 43.42. That's what it says right there. Or we could take it here at 43.22 or even here 43.12 at fib, because this thing is coming down. Could not make it up, started making lower highs, lower lows. And with this pennant is a pop and drop, so we have a long way to go also. And in terms of the stock, it has a long way to fall. It can fall like way down, all the way back to $20 if things go wrong. All right, yeah, we're just gonna hold it until it reaches here, 43.23. So after 1 hour, it only went to our first support resistance line, that red line there, and bounced off. Should have taken it there, but based on how the stock is looking, I thought it would have gone down a little further. What I can do just to get out of the stock today might be to put it on fib, which is fib is 40, go to 5 minutes. Fib is 43.42. So I'm just gonna put it back there because it might just start consolidating. So 43.42 is the next Fibonacci retracement at the 61.8. I'm gonna just change that. All right, hopefully we get bought back because I don't want to be in here much longer. It's now 2:05 p.m. Okay, so remember we're waiting for 43.42, 10 cents away because we have our buyback on the fib. It's stopping at our red line that we put in for support resistance. I'm just hoping that it breaks through that, even though I have told you that it's best to come out at the first indication where you have set, and this is actually where we should get out. Yeah, but I'm really hoping this thing comes down. In it now for 1 hour and 12 minutes. All right, so we have a lot of buying here at 43.53. Big buyer here, 43.47. We are here 43.42. All right, I'm not liking that it keeps bouncing around right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. 43. All right, it looks like it's coming now. They're at 43.49. All right, it's just a couple cents. Although we have big buyer here at 43.40, which is where we're at. Now it's bounced back. See, that's why I just wanted to get out here. I'm just gonna get out here. 43. Let me go with this guy, 43.49. Yeah, like I said, this is a few cents. Hopefully we get back there. So we're now at 43.49 just because we want to get out. And that's all the way here. So it has to break through the 43.51, 43.50. There's a slight rejection on there, but this opened higher. I'm wondering if I should just go ahead, but all right, don't want to lose that. So 43.43. I'm just going to go ahead and take it. Hopefully we get it. 43.53. Modify. Let's see if we get bought. This is now going up. That's what I was afraid of. Didn't like that long pause. Yeah, just didn't like that consolidation right there. That's why I wanted to get out. But we didn't get bought up. Really hoping it would have come down to these. But it's just been consolidating there, and I don't like that, especially since it's 215. Trying to get it sold at 43.53. All right, so we're going back up. I think I'm just gonna take that. This could possibly drop later today to tomorrow, but I don't want to be in it. All right, I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna modify again to what we have here, 43.66, just to be green. It's getting higher. 700 at 43.68. Gonna put at 43.65. I knew this thing was gonna come here and bounce. I just knew it, but I'm just gonna hold for 43.65 and get out. Or maybe we just have to adjust because VWAP and FIB is up here pulling it back up. That's what's happening. Hour and 20 minutes, and I am getting real tired of this. Tried to get out a couple times. But this thing is just not letting us. So I'm going to modify again. 43.70. Should have paid more attention to it. Now back to 43.71. All right, it's back to 43.70 where we were trying to sell it. And we're out. $24.20. And like I said, it might drop, but I don't want to be in it. It's now 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon. And we've been in it for an hour and 23 minutes. So that's it for today. Again, like, subscribe, and share. And based on the comments I said, if I don't get any comments, I'm not coming on tomorrow. But if I do get comments and any encouragement, then I will. All right, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Check out Webull. Use my link to sign up, as well as with Robinhood. And I will see you, or maybe not. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.